guys, thanks for joining me. Today I will be showing you how to make a Thanksgiving dinner on a small scale. Because of this pandemic, it seems that a lot of people are not going to be gathering together in large groups. So hopefully some of these recipes will shrink down the size of the amount of food that you guys will be making. So the first thing on making a smaller scale Thanksgiving dinner is having a smaller turkey. So we're just going to use a turkey breast. Unfortunately, you won't be getting the drumsticks with this, but you know, when we prepare this, make sure you're not wearing any rings or anything. You're gonna be rubbing and massaging oil into this thing, so it gets a little gross. You're going to start by preheating your oven to 350, and before you do open this up, you want to make sure you have vegetable oil on hand as well as salt and pepper. That way when we start rubbing the oil into it, we can just grab what we need from here without, getting our salmonella hands over everything. All right, so I'm going to take this to the sink. I'll be right back. So most of the turkey breasts that I've ever purchased always come with a gravy packet on the inside. Don't forget to take that out. So just set this aside, and we will make that later. Yuck. Don't know what to do about that part. Yeah. This is why my mom always does this. I'm going to stabilize it, try to, with 2 knives so that it stays upright. Okay, so now we're going to start putting on the oil. And we just kind of rub it in. And then we will season it with some salt and pepper. And really that's all you need for seasonings. That's how my mom has always made it, and it's always been so good because turkey has enough flavor on its own. Okay, so now that we're seasoned, I'm gonna wash my hands. Since that's an 8-pound turkey breast, that'll take around 3.5 hours at 350. Oh. Right,